Now this is the RH Viper trading system. It is a series of indicators built to give us a trend following type of system with very clear and easy to understand signals. We've kept the chart very simple. It's very straightforward. It should look fairly intuitive, but I'm going to go through the different indicators and explain exactly what each of them do, how to use them, and how to put them all together. On the price chart, we've got two different moving averages. We've got the blue moving average, and we've got the red moving average. The next thing you're going to see are the arrows. Now the arrows are red on top of the price pointing down and green under the price pointing up. Now this middle indicator, this is the RH Viper indicator. The entire system is built around this indicator. This is the Viper filter, the RH Viper filter, and it is going to be the last resort as far as filtering the signals go. The sell signal will be a red arrow above the price. We've got one here and one here and one here. Very easy to see, very clear. And the buy signal arrows are going to appear underneath the price. All right, so we've entered the trade. The stop loss is over the swing high and we've got a 1-to-1 take profit. So we're looking at about 140 pips. So at this point, all we can do is wait for the trade to play out. So again, I'm going to put the video on pause and I'll be right back. The trade went really well. It fell really nicely. And on this trade, we made 140 pips in just a few hours. And that is thanks to the RH Viper system.